What is up, responsible day traders? Today is Thursday. It's October the 8th, 2020. I'm Lindsay Duff, and this is Responsible Day Trading. We yet again have another hurricane coming our way. This one, Gamma. We actually just had to go pick a friend up from the airport who's flying in from Louisiana because they just evacuated. Things are getting really ugly there. I've had a really stressful past few days. School started yesterday for in-person, face-to-face school for my son. Little uncomfortable with that, but I'll be all right. Today I did things a little bit differently. With it being stuck between such little spaces, when I look at the bigger charts, I'm always trying to push it to that next area. So I decided to give it just a little bit of a different point of view today. It's actually one that I've suggested to a couple of my students, and it can make a big difference. It'll also allow you to pull your stops in a little bit tighter while you're managing your trades just a little bit differently as we're waiting it to get to a much closer area. So it actually made things a lot easier today with it being really stuck between those areas. I looked at it Monday and Tuesday, and when I looked at it, it looked a lot like today, which is why I did some more testing over the evening. At night, guys, I'm looking at trades. So you can see today it worked out very well for me. It will be something I use in slower times like this. I was actually just moving it down from the 987 or the big chart to a smaller big chart. Instead of using the big ones, I moved it in a little bit. We will have some more trader interviews with some new live traders for You Profit Trader. I'm super excited. I've got a couple of people lined up for that. That's awesome because, guys, being able to do this for people allows me to check some boxes off my to-do list. Jason and I have been doing a lot of work. We want to be able to really help people who don't understand day trading and get a really good idea. So we've been putting together something really, really amazing for that. And that should be out within the next couple of weeks. It's taken up a lot of time, but it's worth every second of it. I hope everybody has a wonderful week or has had a wonderful week, that you were careful with FOMC yesterday. And as always, guys, enjoy the show. All right. Hi, guys. Good morning. Let me put this on the 3 contract. I've been practicing some 2 contract stuff whenever, because the 4 contract is kind of tough for me getting in twice like that. So I've been practicing the 2 contracts to get back in after. Look at what's happened here. We bounced off of this area. It's pushing up. It pulled right back down to this EMA, bounced up, and we are seeing this continue up. I want to spread this out. We're at the top Bollinger Band, which means it could pull back in, but man, that's starting to show some potential to just keep pushing to the upside. We shall see. The last few days, it just seems to have been it's just a mess of things. I do see trades, but man, they are tough. Like here I see a short for sure. There it is. But right into an area that's held several times, and this keeps making the pop down and then coming back up. Just going through some thoughts in my head. All right, I gotta get ready to go. I guess I missed the long. Hello, responsible day traders. It has been a weird couple of days for me, so I did record this morning for about 15 minutes before I had to go to the airport. I am back home now, and I'm just seeing what's changed. Nothing except I think what I really need to be paying attention to are the 3 smaller charts right now. So more something along the lines of this, and this. Oh, nope. Oh, there we go. There we go. Okay, I'm at +2 ticks. Okay, there's the next one. Wow. I think I may be closing out of this one. Yeah, I'm hitting close. That may have been a little early, but just with this not pulling up higher, starting to roll in here, reaching that high, I'm okay with getting out for now. Okay, so what did I do here? I moved to the 377. I'm moving my focal point, right? There's a lot of really small moves that have happened between here. So having the bigger charts and knowing where these areas are that are holding on the bigger chart, but not necessarily letting them guide things, it does look like we're going to get a pullback. It's really just a patience game, y'all. Starting to slow and roll. This may come back a little bit deeper. Okay, that puts me 2 ticks right behind there. Let's try 2 contracts with that. Oh, grab me. Really? Okay, there we go. You know what? I'm going to take the 2 out here. Oh, I did not even get the chance to hit close on that. I don't love that I only got a tick off those. I really need to manage those a little bit differently. You know, this is something I've been looking at. I've actually been suggesting to one of my other students that struggles with the longer term. So this shows that how you can do this in a quicker, shorter term. And maybe one day we'll just use the 1597 as the entry. I may have to adjust my wrist just a little bit. But use the 1597 as the entry. The 987 as the trading chart, and the 2584 as my long-term chart. So maybe we'll do that. So here's one of the problems I'm going to have. If I take a lot of trades, I'm going to struggle to remember if I took 1 or 2 contracts. So the second entry was definitely just 2 contracts. Something I'm playing with just a little bit. It's 10 contracts in total, okay? Because we did 4, 4, and then 2. So 3 trades plus 15.25 points. Okay. All right, guys, we're going to go ahead and wrap that up. I will be doing a couple new interviews with some new traders for You Profit Trader here soon, so be on the lookout for that. I'm kind of glad I moved over to the smaller charts when it's just really tight between those spaces. Bringing it in a notch is okay. You know, maybe moving it in from the large chart to the smaller chart just a little bit to kind of wrap it up a little bit and still have your eye on the areas of the bigger chart. When it's really struggling to pull away, your mind tells you it should just push right there, and it's not giving that to us. So we gotta watch those smaller charts to stay in tune and in focus with those things. So, all right, guys, have a fabulous Thursday. And as always, you know I look forward to catching you on the profitable side. I love y'all being here with me, so please like and subscribe so we can spend a little more time together.